Since 1971, Copher's Boat Center has been helping our customers create a lifetime of family memories. One of the region's largest selections of bass, aluminum, pontoon, ski, and wake boats, Copher's Boat Center has exactly what you're looking for. With the best value and selection and over 40 years of trusted service, you can count on Copher's Boat Center to make your buying experience a pleasant one. Stop by and see all the options available for your family's time on the water at Copher's Boat Center in Fort Smith, or visit our website at cophers.com.